State has become the first state in the country to implement National Education Policy 2020? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Assam, C. Bihar, D. Karnataka. Third answer. Correct answer, D. Karnataka. 12. Which state UT has announced smart health cards under its Swasthya Kalyan Yojana? A. Kerala, B. West Bengal, C. Orissa, D. Karnataka. Third answer. Correct answer, C. Orissa. 13. Which state UT has launched the Karkhandar scheme? A. Ladakh, B. Jammu and Kashmir, C. Himachal Pradesh, D. Sikkim. Third answer. Correct answer, B. Jammu and Kashmir. 14. What is the name of the portal that has been launched by the government to help in facilitating new MGNREGA assets using remote sensing and geographic information system based data? A. Bhumi Rashi, B. Madad, C. Yuktdhara, D. Asanad. Third answer. Correct answer, C. Yuktdhara. 15. Which state UT has formed a committee to identify 75 promising athletes for the Paris Olympics 2024? A. West Bengal, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Karnataka, D. Tamil Nadu. Third answer. Correct answer, C. Karnataka. 16. Which state UT has decided to issue resident certificate only to permanent resident certificate holders of the region? A. Jammu and Kashmir, B. Ladakh, C. Sikkim, D. Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Third answer. Correct answer, B. Ladakh. 17. With which country Tamil Nadu has partnered to create an energy island in the Gulf of Mannar? A. Germany, B. Denmark, C. Japan, D. South Korea. Third answer. Correct answer, B. Denmark. 18. Compulsory Registration of Marriages Amendment Bill, 2021, has been passed by which state? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Haryana, D. Rajasthan. Third answer. Correct answer, D. Rajasthan. 19. Comprehensive Handicrafts Cluster Development Scheme, CHCDS, is a scheme of which union ministry? A. Ministry of MSME, B. Ministry of Textiles, C. Ministry of Commerce and Industry, D. Ministry of Rural Development. Third answer. Correct answer, B. Ministry of Textiles. 20. Which ministry has launched the Good Samaritan initiative? A. Ministry of Finance, B. Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, C. Ministry of Rural Development, D. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Third answer. Correct answer, B. Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. 21. Which state has recently approved the Made in Electronics Policy 2021 to promote the development of electronics manufacturing sector? A. West Bengal, B. Orissa, C. Himachal Pradesh, D. Bihar. Show answer. Correct answer, B. Orissa. 22. Group of Food Secretaries, which has been formed by the Government of India, is related to? A. Community Kitchens, B. Midday Meal, C. PDS through FPSD, Food Supply to Afghanistan. Show answer. Correct answer, A. Community Kitchens. 23. What is the name of India's first biometrics-based digital processing system in airports? A. Tech Yatra, B. Digi Yatra, C. Techno Boarding, D. Digi Boarding. Show answer. Correct answer, B. Digi Yatra. 24. Which union ministry is implementing the umbrella scheme named Atal Vayo Abhyudaya Yojana Abhyaya? A. Ministry of Women and Child Development, B. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, C. Ministry of Rural Development, D. Ministry of Minority Affairs. Show answer. Correct answer, B. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. 25. Which state UT has launched a bridge course for students named Setu Pathakram? A. Gujarat, B. West Bengal, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. Bihar. Show answer. Correct answer, B. West Bengal. 26. Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana is a flagship program of which union ministry? A. Ministry of Jal Shakti, B. Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, C. Ministry of Food Processing, D. Ministry of Rural Development. Show answer. Correct answer, A. Ministry of Jal Shakti. 27. Logistics, a logistics interface platforms ULIP hackathon has been launched by which department? A. DPIIT, B. DPIM, C. DARPG, D. DST. Show answer. Correct answer, a DPIIT. 28. Which Indian state stands first in the implementation of the Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Rural Mission SPMRM? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Telangana, C. Rajasthan, D. West Bengal. Show answer. Correct answer, B. Telangana. 29. Plan B, which was seen in the news recently, is associated with which union ministry? A. Ministry of Railways, B. Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, C. Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, D. Ministry of MSME. Show answer. Correct answer, a Ministry of Railways. 30. What is the aim of the SAR program recently launched by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs? A. Solid waste management, B. Documentation of projects, C. Geospatial mapping, D. Climate change awareness. Show answer. Correct answer, B. Documentation of projects. Which union ministry is associated with the Dam Safety Bill 2019 passed recently? A. Ministry of Home Affairs, B. Ministry of Jal Shakti, C. Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, D. Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Show answer. Correct answer, B. Ministry of Jal Shakti. 32. Which institution is implementing the Prime Minister's Employment Generation Program PMEGP? A. KVIC, B. NSIC, C. NABARD, D. SIDBI. Show answer. 33. Mukhya Mantri Kanya Sumangala scheme is a scheme implemented by which state? UT. A. Bihar, B. Gujarat, C. A. Bihar, B. Gujarat, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Uttar Pradesh. Show answer. Correct answer, D. Uttar Pradesh. 34. Which is the only South Indian state to pass the Protection of Right to Freedom of Religion Bill? A. Karnataka, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Telangana, D. Kerala. Show answer. Correct answer, A. Karnataka. 35. Smile scheme is to be implemented by which union ministry? A. Ministry of Education, B. Ministry of Women and Child Development, C. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, D. Ministry of Rural Development. Show answer. Correct answer, C. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. 36. What is the aim of the SAR program recently launched by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs? A. Solid waste management, B. Documentation of projects, C. Geospatial mapping, D. Climate change awareness. Show answer. Correct answer, B. Documentation of projects. 37. Mission Parvarish is associated with which state? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Assam, C. Bihar, D. Orissa. Show answer. Correct answer, B. Assam. 38. Which union ministry launched the Services A Health Assistance and Teleconsultation Sehat initiative? A. Defense Ministry, B. Health and Family Welfare Ministry, C. Science and Technology Ministry, D. Electronics and IT Ministry. Show answer. Correct answer, a Defense Ministry. 39. Which union ministry implements Digital India Land Record Modernization Program DILRMP? A. Ministry of Electronics and IT, B. Ministry of Rural Development, C. Ministry of Home Affairs, D. Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. Show answer. Correct answer, B. Ministry of Rural Development. 40. Which union ministry launched the Central Media Accreditation Guidelines 2022? A. Ministry of Electronics and IT, B. Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, C. Ministry of Communication, D. Ministry of Home Affairs. Show answer. Correct answer, B. Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. 1. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Rural Mission is the flagship initiative of which union ministry? A. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, B. Ministry of Rural Development, C. Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, D. Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Right answer. Correct answer, B. Ministry of Rural Development. How many sub-schemes are under the umbrella scheme of Relief and Rehabilitation of Migrants and Repatriates? A. 3, B. 4, C. 7, D. 10. Right answer. 43. Under the Jharkhand Food Security Scheme, each family member is entitled to receive 1 kilogram of pulses at what price? A. 3.1, B. 2 rupees, C. 5 rupees, D. 10 rupees. Right answer. 44. Which Indian state recently launched Women at Work W at W program? A. Kerala, B. Karnataka, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Orissa. Right answer. Correct answer, B. Karnataka. 45. Which union ministry launched the Donate a Pension initiative? A. Ministry of Finance, B. Ministry of Labor and Employment, C. Ministry of MSME, D. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Right answer. Correct answer, B. Ministry of Labor and Employment. 46. Capital Employer is a new initiative under which scheme? A. Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Gramin Kaushalya Yojana, B. Prime Minister Gram Sadak Yojana, C. National Gram Swaraj Yojana, D. Mission Antyodaya. Right answer. Correct answer, A. Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Gramin Kaushalya Yojana. 47. Jal Shakti Abhiyan, Catch the Rain campaign was first launched in which year? A. 2015, B. 2017, C. 2021, D. 2022. Right answer. 48. Raising and Accelerating MSME Performance, RAMP, is supported by which global institution? A. International Monetary Fund, B. World Bank, C. UNICEF, D. World Economic Forum. Right answer. Correct answer, B. World Bank. 49. Which Indian state UT has launched a project to set up hobby hubs in government schools? A. Tamil Nadu, B. Kerala, C. New Delhi, D. Punjab. Right answer. Correct answer, C. New Delhi. SANS campaign, which was seen in the news, is associated with which disease? A. COVID-19, B. Pneumonia, C. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, D. Pulmonary fibrosis. Right answer. Correct answer, B. Pneumonia.